On January 12, 2022, Azuki debuted their collection with an initial release of 8,700 avatars, each priced at more than $3,000 at that time. The collection sold out in a matter of minutes, registering about $30 million in sale. Even though thousands tried to mint these NFTs during the sale, there were really low mint fees. Now you might be wondering, how were they able to maintain these super low mint fees? And here we are introducing ERC 721A. Basically, Azuki developed a contract that supported minting multiple tokens for close to the cost of one. And basically what this means is that minting tokens becomes very cheap. And here at Ambition we want to enable users to deploy their own optimized contract, so we created our own ERC 721A contract for you guys to deploy. So today I will be showing you how you can do this. By the end of the video you will be able to launch your own NFT collection just like Azuki, so you can sell out your NFT collection. So what we are going to build today is an NFT collection just like Azuki that will have a pre-reveal image that you can reveal after everyone mints. I will be going over minting features such as add people to whitelist, airdrop NFTs, withdraw funds, all of that stuff. And then I will also be going over how you can connect this NFT collection to OpenC, and then also, of course, adding a minting button onto your website, which is probably the most important part. And as I already said, I will be showing you how to do this with the non-code app ambition.so. So yeah, let's just get right into this. So first of all, what we want to do is deploy the contract. So now the first thing we have to do is to go to ambition.so and log into our web app with our MetaMask. This will sign us into our website and give us our dashboard. Here we can now click on the create new contract button and then just fill in these different tabs with the name, symbol, and then also select your size. After we have done this, we can just click on save and then move on to upload our image for our NFTs. And for this, I'm just going to use a random collection I've already created. And if you need to generate a collection, we also have a video on that. So basically, there's a link in the description and we will maybe link it here. So you can go over there and then first of all, just create your NFT pictures that we need for this. But now back to this. So what we want to do now is we want to upload the images. Now the first image we upload is basically our placeholder image before the NFT has been revealed. So just pick something you like for that and has something to do with the collection. And yeah, then we can move on. And the second upload, that just needs to be our NFT collection images. And if you use our generator for that, the folder will be called assets, and then you can just go in there and get the pictures. Now the third phase for this upload is we have to upload our metadata folder, and this folder with metadata files is corresponding to our NFT collection and has all the information regarding trades and things such as the description. And after we have done this step, we can basically just click on verify, so we can verify our images have been uploaded correctly and then go ahead and confirm. Now we just finished including all our details in our NFT collection to deploy. So we are going to hit the deploy button and approve the MetaMask transaction that pops up. So basically just click through these transactions and pay for that, and then we can move on. Now when we have created our contract, we are back on the dashboard right here, and then we can scroll down and look for a contract and then just click on it, and we should be able to see all the details. So here we get a nice quick overview over the contract. Then we have some settings for like public sale, airdrops, and you know, how many people can mint, all of that stuff. Then we have a tab with embed code. So basically you can add the mint button to another website if you already have one. I'm going to show you real quick how you can do that in a second. And yeah, that's basically all in here. So you get a quick overview. So now when we want to add the mint button to a website, we can just go to the tab right here and copy this code to our clipboard, and then go to our page builder, whatever we are using, and go in there and then just basically get an embed button where we copy this code into, and then the mint button should pop right up on your website when you just republish the site. And that's really as easy as it is. And yeah, you can basically just add it to any kind of page you have. Now there's obviously a lot of different settings in here too. Now one thing we want to look at too is the whitelist setting right here. We can basically just set up a whitelist by uploading first of all a CSV document where all the addresses are listed up from 1 to however many you have, and then just upload that into this right here. Or we can do that manually and just click on add address and then copy and pasting our address in here. And then just click on save, and you should be able to see that there's one address in here, and then only that person will be able to mint if you open the pre-sale status. So that is really, really nice. Now there's obviously a lot of different settings too. For example, the airdrop setting, that is really important too. Here you can basically airdrop some of your NFTs to people, and it's basically the same concept as the whitelist. You can just click on set up airdrop list, and then you'll be in here. And again, you can upload a CSV document or add the addresses manually and just copy and paste them in here again. And then when you click on airdrop, these people will receive an NFT. They can also list an OpenC and all that stuff. So that is really, really not complicated. What is also pretty important to know is how you can connect your NFT collection to OpenC, since there you can trade your NFTs, and people will want to list them there probably. So that is really important that they are connected to OpenC. And as you guys can see on the overview tab right here, it's pretty self-explanatory and simple. There's a button that says connect with OpenC. I can't click it right now because I'm on the Ring-by test network. But if you just have a normal contract deployed, then you will be able to see this button. It will be blue, and you will just have to click on that, and then you can just import your contract address, and that's basically it. Then your contract will be connected to OpenC, and then your NFTs that are minted can also be listed on OpenC and all that stuff. So that is really important to do, and actually really easy to set up. And after you have connected it to OpenC, it's just simple. You can be on OpenC and just customize your profile, add these different images to your profile, and all of that stuff. So, okay, now we know how to handle everything pre-mint and how we are using all these different settings. But when we actually mint it out, there are some important things too. For example, since we created a Reveal NFT project, post-mint, we want to enable the NFT Reveal because we obviously want to reveal the NFTs. So for that, you can just go into your contract, then go to settings and click on enable NFT Reveal, and then just click on update. And once you have done that, all of the NFTs will be revealed. Now the last step I'm going to show you is really important too, and that is how to withdraw funds. This is when you're done with minting and you just want to get the money out of the contract into your wallet. And this is actually pretty easy. So you just have to go into your contract again, then go to settings and scroll all the way down to withdraw funds. Here you will then just have to go to balance and then click on the withdraw button that will pop up. This obviously will only pop up if you actually have some money in the contract. Then you can approve the transaction and your funds will be withdrawn from your smart contract balance into your wallet. And you will basically have all that money there. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe, and also make sure to share this video. And if you guys have any questions or need support, definitely check out our Discord channel. The link will be in the description below, and there you will definitely get an answer to all of your questions. So, peace out.